So today I'll be showing you how to add Instagram highlights to your Instagram account from your gallery. So you can swipe across like that, and then at the bottom here tap on story, and then tap on the gallery icon, and then go ahead and choose the items you want in your Instagram story. So for instance, you can pick that, some photos you might have taken over the weekend. So I'll select those 5 and then tap on next, and then you can choose whether you want to have a layout or you want them to be separate Instagram stories. So select separate, and you're gonna have all this as separate Instagram stories. Okay, so from here you can add stuff like music to individual posts. So you can come here, add its own text, filters, stickers, music, and then you can go to the next one and do everything you need to do. Okay, now once you're done with all that, you can tap on next, and then choose your sharing options. So for some people it shares to Facebook. For this time I'll choose not now, because I'm not really interested in showing people on Facebook. So I'm gonna select that, and then I'll go ahead and tap on share, and then confirm by tapping on done, and those particular images and videos are going to be shared to my Instagram story, as you can see. So here are my stories with my photos. Now the next thing you want to do is go to your home page and then tap on your profile icon, and on your profile page you may or may not see your Instagram highlights. So these are all Instagram highlights. You can add those particular pictures and videos to an existing Instagram highlight, or you can create a new one. So let me create a new one here, and then you can see all my Instagram stories. The ones I've just posted are available for me. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and then I'll tap on next. They're gonna be added to my highlights. I can change the cover photo. I can rename my highlights. I'll call mine office, like that, and then I'll tap on done, and then of course I'll be prompted to do that. And as you can see, now I have my Instagram highlights with my photos from my gallery. Okay, so that's going to be there permanently unless I delete those Instagram stories. Now the only downside to this is that you have to post to Instagram stories first, and people will see your Instagram stories. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have any comments or questions, talk to us down in the comment section. Good luck.